eating.
How are you?
How's it? It's nice.
Yeah, Api is still here, guys, as well.
Is this Abby?
Yeah, he's waiting for the transport.
This is Abby.
Yeah,
Oh God, when did Abby get here?
Yeah, I hope he is that way. Because you normally fighting those, the black kids. Those were by the food tray. So you make a plan.
Yeah.
It's a toast, you know, you can make a plan. Yeah.
And you knew we were coming here,
Abby.
Abby. And he was waiting for us. That's
Yeah,
the
he was
thing.
waiting.
He's like, I know.
Guys, just let Abby sit on you, guys.
Hey, not me.
Abby is very lazy on walking, but not lazy on searching. Abby, yes boy. Yeah, Abby is very friendly, guys. Very